Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. I am doing a little DIY fall postcard. It is hashtag make your own, and basically I'm mailing it off to a friend that lives across the globe. Her name's Christina. She is a world traveler. She especially loves to travel in Asia and in Europe. I'm hoping to see her in January when she comes to visit us in California. So I wanted to lay that little kind of map on the back, and then also incorporating some of my favorite aesthetic, which is floral vintage, and it says smile every day. Now I'm going to be picking in terms of color. We have the oranges, the browns, and the gold, which are favorite fall colors. I am going to shuffle through these aesthetic stickers of different girls. She's pretty fashionable, so I want to just pick something that's cute and fashionable at the same time. There are a couple stickers here. I like the way they're looking. They have a happy look in their faces, and I think they'll match the sentiment on our postcard. Now, since it is a fall card, I do like the sticker with the jeans, but I think I'm going to stick with the one with the sweater. So I'm going to lay that down in just a sec. I'm also going to add another ephemera here. She also loves plants. So I have this one that has a little pot that's in orange, which is our fall colors. And it would be nice to put that word hello as a greeting when she gets this card. So these are wonderful projects to make if you are saving on postage but still love to send happy mail out. I've done this for my pen pals in the past, and it's definitely been really fun to mail it out without breaking the bank. Really fun and easy to compose, and it's something handmade that I'm sure the recipient will enjoy and really value. I'm going to cut this to a 4x6, but before I do that, she also loves coffee, and I think I'm going to go with the cup of latte. And I love me a cup of pumpkin latte during the season. The weather has definitely changed. It's cooled off in our area. What's it like in your neck of the woods? Next, we're going to be doing little stamping on the back side. And basically, I've used scrapbook paper. It has this blank side to it. I got the stamp from Temu, and I ran out of blank ink. So I'm going to be going to re-ink this stamp again, because as I lifted it off, I noticed that it didn't quite make an impression on the borders. So we're going to try that again. But this is really a pretty stamp, as long as you have enough ink. Unlike me, I did not have enough, so I'm going to have to restock on that. But I like that it has postcard word on the top. It has a little envelope at the bottom, and then you have the address portion on the side. Now, the inking on the side was not satisfactory to me. It looked a little messy, so that's where our washi comes in. And this washi has some envelopes, which is perfect for happy mail. And then this other one has more of a vintage look to it, where it's kind of brown and has postmark images, which will match our postcard. So you can see it a little bit closer here. And then once I snip that off, I am going to be adding, let's see, let me trim this. But I'm going to be adding a real post stamp, so postage stamp. And I'm just going to, I like rounding off my card. So we're just going to round it off like so. And then let's see what postage stamp I'll be adding. So I'm going to go with this blue. Again, we love flowers, and I also like the colors blue, and so does she. So I'm going to just put that there. Did you hear that blue jay? That was pretty loud. So here's an overview look again at this super easy to make DIY fall postcard. I hope you guys can make one for your friends and family and mail it off. In addition, I'm going to be including some of these flat mail stickers. They're non-bulky, non-dimensional, perfect for the mail.